Well, good morning, everybody. It's almost 9:30 right now. Here it is, Monday now, August 1st. And all I did was eat breakfast and pack up. So I already did that. So I'm already ready to go. There's the bike and trailer already. Just got to put that stuff on. And somehow I'm going to bring that recycling over to the bin that's over by I think the visitor center or the lodge, one or the other. But I'm all ready to go here. Take one last moment here before leaving. Look around at the campsite where I've been for 2 nights. Man, it's been really hot, and it's supposed to be really, really hot today. It's supposed to hit 100 degrees in the interior, which is right over that direction. So I imagine it's going to be hot all the way over to Sturgis too. So anyways, there's the bike. It's all ready, and I've got the GoPros mounted, and I will be recording the ride in its entirety from here to what I'm going to plan on doing is stopping at Scenic. There's a small town of Scenic, South Dakota. I've never stopped there. Apparently there might be some things to look at there. But anyways, that's where I'm going to ride for sure, record from here to there for sure. And that video in its entirety will be shown on my other channel, Riding and Driving. That entire ride will be on that. Of course, that won't be until after I get back from Sturgis. And then also some clips of it will probably be in the video for today. You know, just parts of the ride for the video for today. For my videos, I'll be posting when I'm home. But anyways, for this real-time video, and I might use this clip for that other video too. I'm not sure, but I'll have to. That's one of the things I'm gonna have to wing it on. But anyways, I'm gonna take and hop on the bike and head out of here. So see ya in. I'm probably gonna do some video clips from Scenic for this video, for the real-time video. So okay, all right, here we go. Talk to you later. Well, here it is, Scenic, South Dakota. I've never ever stopped here before. Doesn't seem to be, but let's say take not a very large place to look around, but let's do it. Look at that. Gifts free fossil display. There we go. Yeah. Interesting. Even got chairs to sit on. There's a couple comfortable chairs, and lean back as far as you want. Who knows? Oh, there must have been a body of a duck or something on there at some time. Oop. Across the street here. Sam Two Bowls Gallery. Bikers and tourists. A woman chasing him with a rolling pin. There's old buildings back there too. Other side of the fence. Gosh. That's cool. Longhorn store, it says. Huh. Cool. Well, I had satellite TV at one time. Old Longhorn Saloon, 1906 Scenic, whiskey, beer, wine, soda. Indians allowed, Dakota. Gosh, cool, look at that. The old skulls up there too. A jail. Look at that. Oh, wow. Just and all you have in there is just a place to lay down. Probably a rough mattress too, back in the day. Oh, this is I'm going into jail. Ah! I am behind bars. Cool. Oh, what? I forgot. Okay, there we go. Oh, wow. Look at that building. Cool. Yeah. There we go. That is Scenic. I turned a little bit too early. I could have gone down here and come in this way and avoid the gravel road, but that's okay. And here it is, South Dakota, Scenic, South Dakota. Okay, that was kind of a fun little stop. Let's head back to the bike where I think I'm out of the wind more over there and also got shade, so. Welcome to Scenic, South Dakota. Enjoy our hospitality. And I sure am. Huh. Wonder what that is. Like a bird of some sort. Hey, bird. Nice bandana. Huh. Oh, wow, and there's down there. There you look from here. Yeah, I'll walk up there. And any critters in there? Huh, man, I have no idea what that is. Some kind of fireplace of some sort. Okay. See you later, bird. The back side of the building. Yeah. Huh. Not gonna go in. And there it is, Scenic, South Dakota. I just scratched something off my bucket list. That was pretty cool. I get out of the wind here for a moment. Trying to decide what to do. I think what I'm going to do is just restart the camera's recording and just record as long as they keep recording it, I guess, until the batteries go dead or something. There's no way the batteries will make it all the way to Sturgis. So, yeah, I don't know what I'm going to do. I'm going to just play it by ear, but I'm going to resume recording here. And whether, before I get to Sturgis, I stop and put fresh batteries and get everything recording again. Maybe I'll do that. You know, I don't know. I don't want to record going through Rapid City. There's no fun in that. No, city riding is not any fun. Not anything interesting, I don't think. But anyways, I'm gonna hop on the bike and talk to you later. Here I am. All right, it's quite later now. I made it all the way to Sturgis, and I am now set up at camp. And I think I'm going to wrap up this video now. It's already like 14.5 minutes long about. So there's not going to be any more for the rest of the day. I'm just taking it easy now after getting the camp all set up, and I'm set now. But anyways, that's about it for this video. And thanks for watching. And I'm going to be taking a shower and everything after a while, after I rest for a while. But so, once again, thanks for watching, and stay tuned for tomorrow's video. And I don't know what's going to be yet. So, alright, talk to you later.